Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Ford Focus flip key. Ford Focus flip key. In this video I will be showing you how to replace the battery. This Ford Focus flip key is for the model year between 2011 to 2014, which is a Mark III. To do this, to change these are the tools needed. The flat tip screwdriver, the battery, the 3-volt CR2032 battery. We have everything. We can start to replace the battery of the Ford Focus flip key. I much prefer a small screwdriver. So step one is to insert a screwdriver into the side of the key where the clip is. See the clip here? There's a clip there, yeah? So you need to sort of like press it down, yeah, on the clip, press it down and then push it down. You push it down and then you release you see the cover of the battery, yeah? You see? Okay. Two is carefully, you carefully remove the cover, okay? And then you turn around the key, yeah? Here's the battery, okay? Here's the battery, yeah? CR2032 battery. Once you have removed the battery, then you get the new battery here, yeah? Yeah, the battery go in like that. Remember, it's go in like that, okay? You go in like that and then just push it down a little bit. And then you put the cover on. You see? The plus sign is facing upward, yeah? The battery plus sign is facing upward. When you put the cover back on, yeah, you got to make sure, right? This end, right? This end go in first. Yeah, this end go in first, and then followed by this end here. Okay, this end going first, followed by this end here, and then you just press it down. You see, you press it down. So like that, yeah. It's pretty simple, yeah. See, so it's all done. This is for Focus flip key Mark III, year 2011 to 2014. I hope right, this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Yeah, thank you.